Meanwhile, there are calls this evening for parents and government to start contributing more to schools. The call comes from President of the Jamaica Confederation of Trade Unions, Helene Davis-White.
Approximately $19,000. The money school officials say the government pays for one student for the entire year. Administrators argue it's just not enough to maintain the schools. President of the Jamaica Confederation of Trade Unions, Helene Davis-White, believes policymakers should check the school's budget each year.
When you look at prep school fees and think of, say, secondary school, where you're talking about labs and all these other things, 19,000 is a drop in the bucket.
She points to St. Andrew High School, which was in the spotlight recently after the education minister called school administrators extortionists. She says the school often needs additional money.
We have to provide for additional guidance counselor because you're recognizing that there's a lot of problem in schools as a result of, what's happening in the society. The ministry not paying for that. They pay for a certain amount and that's it.
While highlighting the importance of free education, she thinks parents could always help out. In those cases, she says the school could always find a solution for those who can't afford to give a contribution.
I am sure that our principals and teachers are not extortionists. So I am sure that any parent who has a problem and goes in and sits with the principal and with the teachers will be able to get a solution. And the education system is capable of doing it, will do it, but it needs the support.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.